What up, YouTube? It's the random checking in, baby. Today I'm gonna show y'all how we change some hub bearings on this Nissan Sentra. I'm gonna also show y'all something else that we was having problem with. We got a lot of loose play. I thought it might have been like the shocks, but it was coming from the lower A-frame right up in this area right there. And while we talking about it, I guess I can show it to y'all right quick. Alright, y'all, so this is what I was talking about right here. So if y'all hearing all type of clunking sound, you can change all your front end parts, your shocks, your rotors, everything, you know, control arms, bushings and stuff. Check this out. Look what I got going on here. Look at that. So every bump that we hit, that's what we gonna experience right there. All the knocking, you see that? So we definitely got to do something about that. I think it's a bushing. I'm gonna look more into that, but it definitely got to be fixed. But for right now, we'll show y'all how we go ahead on and change these hub bearings on this Nissan Sentra. So if you're new to the channel, baby, y'all go ahead on, make sure you leave me a comment, like, share, subscribe, and y'all know we coming back with plenty more. Shout out swaps and stuff, baby. Let's get it. Y'all see it, gang. So again, there go that big gap we got right there. So we might have to replace maybe that upper bushing. We have to look further into that. Y'all see how wet we are. I mean, we are leaking a little oil. Let's see if I got a socket big enough to be able to even try to take that nut off of there. Got our axle nut off of there. Now, looks like I'm gonna need to pop these here brakes off of here. Got one. Okay, remove those. Okay. Now we got our brake caliper off. What I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna go grab me a piece of hanger so I can tie that brake caliper up to that shock or something and let him hang. I'll be right back. Let's try to get this axle out, y'all. Go ahead on there, pull the axle out. I mean, we don't have, you know, so go ahead and get him. Got one more, gang. Oh yeah, she was definitely looked like it was bad or going bad. Something was going on with it. This here seal. Showed around like a champ. Now I actually can feel some roughness when I'm turning this thing, so I think this shit gonna do the job, guys. Now we come over here. And we have us a new hub bearing here. Y'all see it? Brand new wheel bearing, hub bearing. I told you to cut it off. We're just gonna lock everything down, y'all. I don't want to get our bolts back and stuff. See the face of the head.
Look, it's like a man.
I mean his head.
I get to go first, so I get to
Be able to get it all back together. What I did with that screw that I had stripped, I just cut the tip off of it, lubed it up real good. My favorite right there. Got him in. He zipped right on in there. And then I put the top one in, locked it down. I made me another locker for my out of a hanger. So we got him back installed as well. Alright, next I'm gonna throw my wheel on and I'll hop on to the driver's side and get him knocked out.